It's a little dress. All right, friends, 2027 bride here. And the only things that I really have completed is I have my fiance, he gave me this ring, and I bought a dress. And the best part about being a 2027 bride is that I have like 3 other friends getting married in the same year. The specific friends that are getting married are Kellen and Lauren. So Kellen took me to a David's bridal event, and they gave us these crazy goodie bags. It was so fun. They had this event in Times Square on Valentine's Day where everyone was just getting married. It was like people were getting married, and then there was proposals, and then we all just like went to this suite in a hotel. I asked Kellen to be a part of my bridal party, and it was really fun because David's Bridal has bridesmaid dresses. Okay, so I just wanted to go through my little goodie bag. Let's see. Smart Sweets. Oh, and the 2 best flavors, obviously. We've got the cherry limeade and pink punch. Oh, those are so fun. I've actually never tried these before. Yum. Yes. Look how tiny she is. Oh, ideal for wet hair or dry. Okay, so all hair, which is perfect because I'm hoping to get married in California. And so we will be traveling. We have a bunch of these like little travel stuff. Ooh, it's kind of giving smell like a man, if that makes sense. Maybe Jimmy would like these. I'll put those in his travel little bag. I think this is a candle. They're also tiny. I love tiny things. I love tiny things, especially in New York. Ooh, Dreamy Kind of Love is the name of this candle. It just smells like sweet but clean. Tiny things make me very happy. Probiotics for your down there. That is really nice. Definitely something I never reach for when I'm buying things at the store for myself. So this could come in handy. Love that. First Aid Beauty. Brighten and Glow Facial Radiance Pads. These are actually going to be so nice. I am going to try to be on a more like skin conscious journey with this wedding. I really just like, I mean, I have a lot of acne scarring and fine lines, wrinkles. I just am aging gracefully, and my collagen production is not like it used to be, obviously. So I did just get a red light therapy mask. Anyway, different vibes. But these will also be really nice to use in the rotation. I just love bag charms. I think they're so fun, and they're definitely not something I would just like buy. I think in my heart of hearts, I really like, I don't need to spend money on a bag charm, but like if you're gonna give it to me, it's so cute. I'll put it on my pink Coach bag, so it'll be like an extra little pink moment. These earrings, and the funny thing about these is I didn't even realize, I picked them up, I was like, oh, they're cute, but the brand Oleg Cassini was Jackie Kennedy's dresser. And so in Merrily We Roll Along, we sing a song all about the Kennedys, and I play Jackie Kennedy, and she talks about Oleg Cassini and how she loved the looks. And I just thought that was so funny. I didn't notice that I had picked these until I got home. I got home and was like, Oleg Cassini. Maybe I should put them in right now. I'm gonna put them on right now. Look at that. That is so fun. And then last but certainly not least, Love Rush Paris Hilton. It's a perfume spray. Oh my gosh. And look at her on the back. Like this is crazy. And it's like textured. Ooh. Ooh. It's giving floral bridal. Oh, like my grandma, like a scent that kind of like my grandma would wear. Guys, I think I just found my bridal perfume. I really was thinking about going to the store and like looking through scents and being like, oh, what do I want to smell like on my wedding day? But that is beautiful. Okay. Wow. So that's everything I got at the David Bridal event. It was a really wonderful time. I met some really beautiful ladies who are all having their weddings soon. And I followed like half of them, and I'm excited to watch their weddings and things like that. And weddings are so personal. It really like doesn't matter what you're doing or how you do it. It's just the idea that like you are marrying the person that you love, and hopefully all your family will be there, family and friends. So I'm excited for that journey. And also, this was amazing. Hopefully I get to go to more bridal events soon. See you there.